Tresemme Keratin Smooth your salon professional keratin aro argan oil hoite freeze control kore 72 ঘন্টা লইকে
প্রতিদিনে হইরক স্টাইলিশ হইরক হাজু Tresemme এটা ঘরতে সেলো
The Anti-Infiltration Directorate in Meghalaya conducted a checking drive on migrant workers at construction sites in Nongmensong and Mawpat areas in Shillong on 24th June and found 15 workers without any valid documents. The workers, mostly from Assam, were asked to produce documents such as labor licenses, Aadhaar cards, and EPIC, electoral photo identity cards. The Directorate officials have warned that migrant workers without any valid documents will be sent back to their state. The Khasi Students Union, KSU, lauded the efforts of the Directorate to detect illegal migrant workers, adding that checking without asking for a work permit will be a futile exercise because the law seeks to prevent laborers from settling in Meghalaya.